Let me ask this question.
Yeah.
So you know the eggs, we're talking about a laying.
Yeah.
So with the capacity, I know, let's say you have like, there's 6,000, so that's 12,000.
Yeah.
How many eggs do you say you guys produce in a day from the farm?
From the
question. Let me just ask. I'm not trying to do the estimate. How many eggs do you produce in a day?
Okay, let's say at the peak and at the, like Lena said earlier, we have caves. You get it. The best, sometimes they will be laying good, sometimes they will be laying bad. Sometimes the weather is bad, they couldn't drink enough water. It affects their laying strength.
Okay.
Sometimes when they are drinking enough water and they are in a good condition, they give you good eggs. Right. So let's say roughly we get let's say 150 crate. Let's say 150. Let's cap it because it can go up, can come down.
Yes.
Let's cap it to average, let's say 150 crates in a day.
Right.
You get it.
And each crate is like 40, 45.
So you do the math.
You do the math.
That's for the 6,000.
That's